PPN are the experts in high-end machinery restoration. We're excited to announce that this beyond a baking oven system is all set for delivery to its new home in the countryside, where PPN's team of expert engineers will handle the full on-site installation. Originally used for biscuit production, this oven deposits directly onto trays, which are fed into the system and side-swept into the oven. With a 20mm by 20mm wire mesh belt, extraction fans, and a canopy at both in-feed and out-feed, plus a cooling tunnel equipped with a 10mm by 80mm mesh belt, it's a powerhouse of precision. Modified to meet our clients' exact specifications, this oven proves that PPN can tailor machinery to fit any requirement, no matter the need or budget. If you're ready to level up your production line with new or used equipment, give PPN a call today at +61 3979 27011. We are here to help.